This video is on shop safety. Do I know anything about shop safety? No. But it's on shop safety. I picked up something for my shop that I already bought for my house. So I bought a Welly first aid kit. Not sponsored by Welly. I don't know if I don't know you Welly enough, I will introduce you. So anyway, this is a Welly Band-Aid kit. I ripped off the packaging because I probably should show you the packaging, right? It comes in a little strip, like, I'll put it back on and show you. It comes assembled like this. Not in that crumbly way. So you just go, it comes off. What does it come with? It comes with ibuprofen packets, 2 tablets, 16 tablets total, 5-piece triple Band-Aid, 1% hydrocortisone cream, 10 count of cleansing wipes, 1 roll of tape, 3 count large fabric adhesives, 5 count non-stick pads, 10 count butterfly strips, 12 count standard waterproof bandages, 30 count of small flex fabric bandages, and 48 count of standard flex fabric bandages. And they all look pretty. See, aren't they all pretty? If you put that on pause, you can read it, or you can go to our website and look at it later. It's up to you. Why did I buy it? Because I always forget to keep bandages here. And I'm out, like the other day, I got stabbed with the little wires and the brake cables. Oh, it was horrible. I was like crying for hours. Yeah, I was like, I was all in tears. Just kidding. I didn't cry. So it comes like this. No. Oh, it also comes in a metal box. I don't like the plastic boxes. Like, it comes in a little, here. It's metal and you can keep it somewhere and get dusty. It's orange. So, fancy little red cross on it. It says Welly on the front. Welly. And if I put it down here, you could probably see it. Comes a little bit organized, so, you know, it's got a little roll of tape. What I normally do is I rip out this thing and it's a big mess, but in case I need a cleansing, in case hand cleaner doesn't work good enough, or I'm working on what's this? It's hydrocortisone cream. This is a triple antibiotic first aid thing. Cleansing wipes. What's this? This is ibuprofen in case you really get sick of working, get a headache working on brakes. You can take one of these. Yeah. Give me a break. Give me a break. Gives you some kind of instruction booklet. Some non-stick pads. What the hell that's for? This is for the real hurt, in case you got to cover the gas tank, in case it gets a hole in it. But anyway, it's just I bought the other ones. If you really like bandages, you could buy fancy ones, like glow in the dark ones for your kids and stuff. I'm not trying to make a bandage video, but everybody, like, every now and then you need a bandage in your shop. And I noticed lately the Band-Aid brand, like, don't seem to stick. Like, you put them on and they fall off your fingers. And if you buy those cheap Equate, like, store brand ones, you put them on, they just fall off. Because, like, what the hell? They're just making everything like shit these days. Like, let's try to save money. Instead of, like, I wish companies do this. Instead of trying to save money and give us an inferior product, just raise the damn price and sell us something that's worth buying. It's like cereal. We all know food's going up in price, but, you know, the packages are getting smaller, the price stay the same. Like, leave the packet, like bacon. How did they take a pound of bacon, which was the normal size, and turn it into family size in Canada? Yeah, 500 gram bacon, or 454 grams in Canada was the normal size. And then now all of a sudden, the regular size is 370 grams. And the family size is the normal size. Like we didn't notice that a pound of bacon went from normal to family size. Yeah. Duh. We didn't notice, like, anybody noticed it at Walmart shopping carts got smaller? Yeah, they're smaller. Probably so you, like, when you're shrunken. So anyway, enough of my rant. I got bandages. They're pretty good bandages too. So I thought it was good for the shop. They'll probably be in a pile back there, and I'll cut off my finger over there and not be able to get to them because of the stuff piled over there. Anyway, thanks for watching the bandage video. Don't forget, I'm not a professional. Don't follow anything I do. If you do, just put a Band-Aid on it or spray a Windex. That might work. Thanks for watching.